turns south. I should be in Connecticut in really just a couple miles. I think I'm maybe 7 miles from Salisbury, Connecticut, which is an Appalachian Trail town. But yeah, the road turned to gravel a few miles ago. I'm just rolling with it. Really worn out today. You know that I got 50 miles in here. I think it might be like 4 o'clock. Turns south. I should be in Connecticut in really just a couple miles. Yeah, the road turned to gravel a few miles ago. I'm pretty sure I'm in Connecticut now. I just passed through the Mount Washington State Forest in Massachusetts. Just really blown away by how many mountain laurel there are here. And they're big. You know, Pennsylvania's state flower is mountain laurel. But man, there's so much up here. I never noticed that about never noticed that about Connecticut and Massachusetts, or maybe I've never been through here this time of year. Really digging this gravel road out of nowhere. I didn't have this one in the plans. But scooting right along, should pop out on a paved road here shortly and head for Salisbury. Super cool. Couldn't pass this up. Covered bridge. Doesn't get more New England than that. There it is, the Appalachian Trail. I'm always crossing paths with this thing. It's kind of hard to miss if you're on the East Coast. But I'm pretty sure I passed it in, or crossed over it in Massachusetts earlier today. But I was going real quick. Might have been up there by Mount Riga, around that area, I don't know. Anyway, I knew I'd be hitting it here on Route 7 in Connecticut. And I'm just gonna follow this south for quite a bit. Follow along the Housatonic River, and I think I crossed the Appalachian Trail again up here. So anyway, back on the road. Still rolling here, everybody. Probably about 8:45, pouring down rain, looking for a place to camp. And I think I'm like 5 miles north of Kent, Connecticut. And I don't know if I see a fire hall or a church or anything, I'm just gonna swing in and camp there. But still rolling at 80 some miles for the day here. Okay, good morning everybody. And that was another stealth cowboy camp right under the bridge here. Got in last night around 9:30, pouring down rain, nowhere to go. I looked, checked around town a couple places I thought maybe I could camp, and that wasn't happening. So I saw a bridge here on the map and went for it, and there it was, bone dry and ready to go. I had excellent sleep last night, and had about 86 miles in yesterday. Got 86 miles in yesterday. Like I said, got in at 9:30. It was just pouring down rain the last 2 hours of the ride, but I just kept with it. And got up at 5, got my sleeping bag cleaned up, and now I'm just taking a break, you know what I mean? Now it just looks like some dude hanging out under the bridge, so nothing to it. But I'm gonna head up to the gas station and grab a cup of coffee and start to plan my day. But I think I'm heading for New York City, and I might be able to make it there today, or I might camp outside of there and make it in tomorrow morning. But anyway, here we go. Lovely camp spot on the Housatonic River.